All right, so this is our first air show together. We're at the Oakland County Airshow. I used to come in all the time when I was a kid because I grew up down the street. And I'm kind of geeking out already. I love World War II stuff. I love World War II planes. I love warplanes in general. Like, it brings out the kid in me. And they have the Yankee lady right here that still flies. Like, you can rent that and go on flights with it. They have a whole plethora of different planes. I think there's a Warthog down there I can see already too. A whole plethora of World War II airplanes. There's plane rides here. There's helicopter rides. Lots of cool stuff here. So, you excited, Maddie?
Yeah, I can't see. It's like bright.
You excited?
Yeah, I'm so excited. I'm sorry.
It's your first time.
I don't know what to say. I just think it's funny watching like couples and the man is like, oh, look at this. And like, you just did that to me.
Yeah, I was showing her, so let me show you guys that. I was showing her, like, so the Yankee lady, I forgot what model plane this was, but it's super heavily armed. So it has the gunners in the front up there, and then it has this, I was showing Maddie this. It's got the gunner turret on the bottom. You gotta be really small to fit in there, so usually the smallest guy on the plane with the turrets on the bottom. But it's how you shot the tail planes and the planes underneath you. Then there's a gunner on the side right here to get the planes to your left, and then one on the side. Then there's a top one to be able to get any enemies that were above you. So you had a tail gunner on the bottom, and then you had the side gunners atop. I mean, this thing has, 10, 15 guns on it. It's incredible. But it's massive too. That's the part that gets me too. This thing is just absolutely massive. But it was so heavily armed. I'm not sure what they use these planes for. I wish I knew more about this one. Look at the size of that tail. Like, this whole thing is just huge. The craziest part is back then, these were all like hand riveted. So like all these rivets had to be done by hand back in the 40s. So I don't know. It's pretty crazy.
Back when you were a boy.
I wasn't a boy in the 40s. I wish I was around in the 40s in a way, besides the whole, I wasn't, my kind weren't really welcome in the 40s because I'm Jewish, but I still wish I could have seen the 40s and 50s for sure. But here's the,
I don't want to spend every
alright, let's see some more stuff.
Aaron says if you guys want.
Hey, stay right there. I'll get your picture. Where's that?
Alright. Look how cool that is.
What their experience is, because if you've ever heard anything about pilots, you know they like talking about being pilots. So anyone here who has any kind of pilot rating, a student, instructor,
so this is the General Motors Avenger bomber.
If you don't mind being interrogated slightly. I see a real good pilot out there right now. Any pilot who doesn't mind being interrogated, raise your hand. Anyone who is
so cool.
Student pilot rating, keep that hand super high because you guys are some of the most fun you are.
Check this out. One of my favorite planes.
Teacher hydraulics is shot up, but I mean,
Look at that. How many it took down? So this is a B-25 bomber. This is such a cool plane, and it was super key in World War II.
Out here today, everything from small seaplanes out here by the announcer stand, from the lovely gentleman who just waved me down, to some
Look at that guns on the side.
jets on the west side of the field, to some really cute, adorable, awesome-looking Cirrus Vision jets on the other side. Those are super neat.
So oddly enough, one of the guys, we did an episode last year with a Michigan seaplane, where we had to fly up on a seaplane, a 1947 Piper, and we landed and we fished off it. We caught a fish off the plane. It was super cool. And they're actually here, so this is one of their planes right here. That's one of the pilots that we filmed with. So if you haven't seen that episode, go watch episode 1 of last season of 2021. And we did a Michigan Seaplane episode. It was absolutely amazing. It was so much fun. All right, back to the air show. We're doing something really cool. Something I've only done one time in my life. And I did a lesson with these guys 5 or 6 years ago for my birthday. But it's the only time I've ever been in a helicopter. And it's Maddie's first time ever going in a helicopter too. I'm really excited. She's a little scared and nervous, but it's gonna be a lot of fun. She's gonna have a blast. This will be a lot of fun. What do you think, Maddie?
I really want to kiss the ground.
How do you feel?
Give me a minute.
Okay. She's a little overwhelmed. There's a lot. Man, was that fun though.
I'm so glad we didn't die.
Me too. But what do you think? Was it as scary as you thought it was?
I mean, there was a couple times I had to squeeze your hand.
But was it cool though? Did it feel cool to like float like that?
Yeah, I don't like how my body feels right now.
Either way, I'm glad we did it. And you know what? Life is all about making memories and overcoming fears.
I can't feel my leg.
That was so much fun, though. Definitely worth it. I highly recommend you guys check out White Pines Helicopters in Waterford, Michigan. It's incredible. All right, let's get back to the air show, guys. You still having a hard time with that?
Yeah, I don't. Life doesn't feel real right now.
You know what, though? I am so proud of her for actually doing this, because she could have backed out. She could have said no one more time.
I told Mike. Mike kept talking in the line to like distract me, and I told him to shut up.
Like,
I was like, "You need to be quiet. I'm sorry. Right now, I need to think."
When I get nervous, I talk. When she gets nervous, she wants everyone to shut up around her. But I'm super glad she did it. I'm really proud of her for trying something new, and you know, it's what life's all about. So it's a lot of fun. But check these out. Look at that. Go see in front of this thing. Look how big that thing is. Look, it's sweet.
Like me.
So I guess this is called air camo. Wow. That is beautiful.
Look at the seat.
Yeah, this thing is gorgeous. Even the propeller is airbrushed.
Okay, honey, you push, I'll pull.
Look at the wings. Wow. All right, so we're leaving the air show. I had an absolutely amazing time. What about you, Maddie?
Loved it.
Did you really have fun?
Yeah.
Are you glad you did it?
Yeah. I'm proud of myself.
I'm proud of you too, seriously. You overcame a fear and you had fun. Sometimes, what do they say? The last step or the first step after fear is success or something like that. But like the one more move after being afraid is usually the best move you can make. So always try to push past that fear, because you never know what comes right after it. Maybe it's like right after fear comes success. I forgot what the saying is.
Now.
Yeah, Patty's like, I'm gonna go take a nap and lay down.
That was a lot of anxiety and adrenaline.
But it was a lot of fun. It was so much fun. We're just walking. We're good. Thank you, though.
Steps in.
Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog from today. Just hanging out at the air show. And now I'm going to get back home and get to editing so I can finish the season finale for you guys, because the season finale for the show is going to be airing in a couple weeks here. And I'm going to finish that up today.
There's some deep cracks.
Anyway.
No, look at it.
Yeah,
Look how deep they are.
Yeah.
That doesn't seem safe.
Madison is the new runway inspector here. Well, this isn't the runway. It's like the taxi area, I would assume.
My runway, though.
Yeah. Well, there's the truck. So we're gonna get heading out here, but thanks for watching the vlog, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and make sure you guys subscribe on Instagram and on Facebook, and go to my personal Facebook, which is just under my name, Mike McKinstry, and see all the pictures from today and stuff too. But
Tell us in the comments below.
yeah,
You have done.
like Maddie just said, tell us in the comments below if you've ever been up in a helicopter or something that you've done to overcome your fears. It's locked, Madison. All right, thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.
The Basquatch Hunter. Subscribe on YouTube.